Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Down for Travel, where we're going to talk all things travel, Down syndrome, and everything in between. I'm a mom of four, and let's get this video started. So today we're going to pack. You're going to pack with me while I tell you about our upcoming trip, Transatlantic Cruise, leaving from Port Canaveral all the way to Barcelona. Okay, we've been looking forward for this trip for a long time. And why we're doing it is because we want to. And the kids are young. And so we figured this is the best time to do it because we don't really have to worry about school because they're still young. Our oldest is in first grade, but we don't feel too bad about pulling them out of first grade. Okay, so where are we going on this trip? So there's a lot of sea days involved, but the port stops are Disney's private island, Castaway Cay, and there we have planned to do a bike rental, some snorkeling, and some floaties. And because we have four kids, not everybody is going to be doing everything. My mom is coming with us, and so we'll probably divvy up some of these items so that some of the kids will probably be using the floaties while we're taking others snorkeling. We'll just play it by ear, but we're on the island from 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. So it is a full day. Lunch is included on the island, and we're planning to make the most of it. So then we've got a ton of sea days, and our next stop is in the Azores at San Miguel Island. So our plan there is to do a private tour because there's so much we want to see. And because we have little kids with us, it's really challenging to find excursions that they can also go on. So we figured the best way to do this is to take them with us on a private tour. So we're hoping to see many of the sites, go hiking. We'll get lunch on the island. We'll just have to stay tuned and see what happens there. Then we are going to Lisbon, Portugal, and there we have a shore excursion booked through Disney to go to the Cascais coast and basically have a beach day and kind of explore that area. And then we're also going to Cadiz, Spain. There, we're just gonna wing it. We're taking the kids and we're just gonna walk around the city. We've got a stroller and carriers with us, and we are just gonna go check out a beach, probably get some gelato, and we're just going to wing it. And then finally, our last stop is Barcelona. And this is actually where we disembark. And there we are going to probably do a private tour as well because we have tickets to Sagrada Familia. My husband and I went there when I was pregnant with our oldest, and we've been dying to go back, and we so badly want the kids to see it. And then also go to Park Güell, get churros with hot chocolate, and really, really see as much as we can in Barcelona before our flight leaves that evening at 6:40 p.m. And then we come back, we're taking a direct flight back, and we're not sure how that's going to go down because the direct flight gets in at 9:40 p.m. and it doesn't come to our state or city, but rather 6 hours away. So we have a rental car, a minivan that we're renting, and we are going to probably drive the rest of the way because the direct flight is a 9-hour flight. So we're hoping the kids sleep on the flight, and then they're not going to want to sleep when we get into town, and we're going to drive back. Now that we have everything packed, I want to show you what I'm bringing for myself. And we'll do another one with the kids. Maybe I'll show you that in a second. Okay, we've got our, need be Disney outfit. We've got our sundress that this will be like a cover up for any kind of like beach situations or when we're on the ship and the splash pad, just something that's SPF and lightweight. Got a sweatshirt because you have no idea. We have no idea what this weather situation is going to be like for this cruise. I am bringing 2 pairs of these like linen pants. So they're really lightweight, they're capris. And a pair of these shorts that are really cute and lightweight. A few tops. Here are the other linen pants. They're denim and another top. I'm bringing 1 pair of jeans with me. I have 2 workout outfits, so leggings and tank tops and sports bras. a shirt, an outfit that matches with one of my kids or a few of them, and another outfit that is like my nice outfit for like a special dinner or brunch. I'm not bringing, I might bring one other dress, but not really planning on bringing a lot of dress up clothes because we try to pack really light when we have the kids with us, um, so that we carry less. So I'll only be bringing 3 pairs of shoes. So I'll be wearing one and I'll be bringing 2. And then I've got like 6 pairs of socks. Some of them are old, so hopefully they'll be thrown out when we're there. And underwear, bras, and then I will pack a few jammies as well. And that's all I'm packing for myself. I'll show you what we're packing for the kids. My swimsuits are with the kids already, so we keep all the swim stuff together because, you know, the kids can't go swimming by themselves. So that's it here, and let's go talk about what we're packing for the kids. We typically do matching swimsuits for all the kids because it makes it easier. But before I show you the kids stuff, I'll show you the adult stuff. So I have this Nani swim top, Nani bottoms. I really like them. Full coverage after 4 kids. These are fantastic. I also have this cute tankini swim top with bottoms, and I also have pants that go with it in case we're like at a splash pad or something. But I may not bring the pants because of, this lovely tan line thing from our last trip. Okay, for Dad, he has these Fair Harbor swim trunks. We really like those, and a top that goes with, and this Columbia, whatever this thing is called, rash guard, and another set of Fair Harbor swim trunks. And then what you've been waiting for, the kids stuff. Before we go into the kids stuff, I want to show you about this reusable swim diaper incontinence swim trunk. These are amazing. They're so discreet. You can't tell. And that's what we love about them is they are just so respectful and incognito. Okay, so for the kids, we have a red outfit and we have a yellow outfit. Our red for our boy is this. And then for the girls, it's just polka dots. We love the polka dots. I just get them off of the Amazon. We just size up every year, and we've had them for years. They come with red polka dot bottoms. The bottoms kind of get picked over. So we get these little swim trunks from Lands' End. This one's a little skirt, and then our other kiddo has these cute little shorts. Okay, now we have our yellow swim outfit. We got these yellow rash guards from Hannah Anderson. So all of them have yellow, and then these are the swim trunks from SwimZip. We didn't do the matching tops from SwimZip because I wanted a bright color. So for all the kids, we wanted them to have yellow on the top and then the pattern on the bottom so that it's easy for me to find. So when we're in a crowd and I have a kid that's in the water, I have a kid that's in the sand, I want to be able to just quickly scan and say yellow, 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 and be able to find the kids. So that's what we're doing. We're doing yellow, and the girls have these cute little bottoms. I just love them so much. And for the baby, we can either do the reusable swim diaper that is white that we've got, or she's got these bottoms that we can put a disposable swim diaper on her. And she also has the little top because it just came with it. And we might put this on her depending, like if she's in a splash pad or something where I'm not needing to track all the kids, she'll be able to wear that. But that's kind of like our method for swim. Like we are very strategic about what we put our kids in for swim, because especially like in pools or like on the cruise ship in general, it is a lot of children most of the time. I don't think this cruise will have that many children, but being able to spot the kids is so important to us. And I don't have time to like be looking for floral, because then it's like not just floral, it might be like pink floral, and trying to remember what shade it is hard for me, where if I just know yellow, I just look for yellow or red. It's really easy for me to spot my kids, especially when you have an eloper. That's so important. Okay, so that's our swim stuff. Okay, the kids are already packed, and what we've got in here, this is for our oldest daughter. We've got 1 dress, 2 dress, her favorite little mini outfit, that's 3. We've got another dress, 4, another dress, 5, another dress 6, and her Elsa dress 7. And then we have 2 pairs of leggings, and we've got to add some socks, and we've got underwear. And her pajamas are in another bag with the rest of the kids' clothes. Okay, I'm going to put this back and we'll reconvene in a second. Okay, she's done. Okay, now for the baby, the almost 2-year-old. Well, she'll be 2 this summer. We've got 2 pairs of leggings because we don't know about the weather. We've got our mini outfit, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that matches sister, 6, 7 outfits for her. And we might pack another one for her because she is our little destructive little girl. She's also got 4 pairs of socks here. Yeah, she's our wild card. She destroys clothes like no other. So we're just prepared for that. We will also be doing laundry while we're on board. We try to pack light so that we have less to carry because some of our kiddos aren't always walking all the time. And so if mom and dad are carrying the luggage and children, we need to just pack lighter. Okay, that's what we're packing for her. For our son, we have our designated Mickey outfit, and then we have a pair of pants and a sweatshirt for him. I got to get jackets for the girls, by the way. So we have 1, 2, the outfit that matches mom, 3, another outfit that matches mom, 4, 5, 6. So he's got 6 outfits and socks. And yeah, so that's what we're packing for him. And like I mentioned before, the kids' pajamas are in a different bag altogether so that it is easier for us. Sometimes when we travel with the kids, if it's a shorter trip, we do a bag per day. So everybody's clothes are in one bag. So it'll be like day 1 bag, and it'll have, the full outfit for each kid. But because this is such a long trip, it does not make sense to do that because that will be over in 6 days or 5 days, depending. And then what, right? So each kid has their own packing cube, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, now the final kid. I don't even know if I finished packing her. Okay, she's got a matching outfit with sis, and then another outfit that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She's got her underwear and socks, and she's good to go as well. So the kids are ready to go. I am packed and ready to go. I will show you shoes. We only pack 2. The kids will wear their tennis shoes probably, and then we will pack them their Keens. All the kids have Keens. They are closed-toed water shoes, and they are perfect for traveling. And so that cuts down on a lot of wear and tear and luggage space. So they just have 2 pairs of shoes that they bring with them, their tennis shoes and their Keens. Okay, what else do I need to show you? Okay, pajamas. Let's talk about it. We have 4 kids. We're going to pack all their pajamas. So for the youngest, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are our favorite jammies. They are pretty expensive, but they're the little sleepies jammies, and they grow with the kid. They last for a pretty long time. What we like about them, though, is they're so thin that they pack really nicely. Okay, so then the next kid, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, moving on. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and he's missing 1. So he's going to get another set of jammies. And then for our final kid, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. I'm going to zip up this bag. I'm sure I can zip it up better if I packed it better, but this is just for this. I might repack later. We'll see. And we are going to try to do the vacuum seal on the bags. We've got some zip bags that apparently will get all the air out. Are they going to work? I have no idea. Comment below if you've got a brand that you like. Super curious if other people do that. Okay, that's the pajamas. For the next video, I'm going to be talking about stuff that we bring for our kiddo with Down syndrome and the extra stuff we have to pack, because there's a lot. And that's why we try to pack light with the clothes, so that we can pack all the extra stuff. So if this is helpful for you, or if you want to follow along on our journey and see our transatlantic cruise or our transatlantic adventure, follow along, subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below about what you'd like to see. Okay, see you next time.